Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I will show you how to allow TikTok access to your photos and videos so you can easily upload and edit your content. So if you're using an Android, go to your phone settings, scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. Now use the search icon at the top right and search TikTok. Now go to permissions and then select photos and videos or files and media depending on your device and tap either always allow all or allow limited access. I will go with this one for now. Once permissions are enabled, close and reopen TikTok. Then when you tap the plus icon to post, you should see all your photos and videos available to select. If it still does not work, go to app info, scroll down, go to storage and then clear cache. Then reopen TikTok. This often fixes minor glitches. And that's it. That's how you successfully allow TikTok to access your photos and videos. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.